Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare React versus food. We'll explore two vastly different, yet essential, aspects of modern life. On one hand, we have React, a powerful tool for digital creation, shaping how we interact with technology daily. On the other, food, the fundamental source of energy and sustenance that literally keeps us alive and thriving. This lighthearted comparison aims to highlight their unique contributions and why both hold undeniable importance in our world, despite their distinct purposes. Let's dive into their individual strengths. React, a leading JavaScript library, empowers developers to build dynamic and interactive user interfaces for web applications. It's the backbone for countless websites and mobile apps, enabling seamless user experiences. By breaking down complex UIs into reusable components, React significantly boosts development efficiency and maintainability. This component-based approach allows for rapid iteration and scaling, making it a cornerstone of modern web development. It helps create the digital world we navigate every single day, from social media to online shopping platforms. Food, in its myriad forms, is the ultimate fuel for the human body, providing essential nutrients and energy. It's crucial for growth, repair, and maintaining all bodily functions, from thinking to moving. Beyond mere sustenance, food plays a profound role in culture, bringing people together for celebrations and shared experiences. A balanced diet, typically involving thousands of calories daily, is vital for physical health and mental well-being, directly impacting our mood and cognitive abilities. It's truly indispensable for life itself. So, which is better, React or food? The answer is clear. They are not in competition but rather serve entirely distinct, yet equally critical, functions. React enriches our digital interactions and productivity, while food sustains our very existence and provides fundamental nourishment. One cannot substitute for the other. You can't code on an empty stomach, nor can a website feed you. Both contribute uniquely to a fulfilling human experience, proving that their value lies in their complementary roles, each indispensable in its own domain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.